You know, in hospital, the toughest part of my treatment was the vacuum, pumping the shit out of my lungs. And while doing it, I was watching television. You winning all my points.
Your points?
Stop thinking of it as a curse to have been given an enemy in life. It can be a blessing, too. A wise man gets more from his enemies than a fool from his friends. We're both a pair of kids when we met. Hot-headed jerks in Formula 3. And now we're both champions of the world. I need you busting my balls. Get back to work.
I will, Nicky.
But I intend to enjoy myself first. And what's the point of having a million cups and medals and planes if you don't have any fun? And how's that winning?
I'll see you on race day, champ.
You will. Champ.
Hey, you look good, Nicky. The only guy to have his face burnt off and it be an improvement.
And 2 years later, he retired. When I saw him next in London 7 years later, me as champion again, him as broadcaster, still living each day like his last. When I heard he died aged 45 of a heart attack, people always think of us as rivals. But he was among the very few I liked, and even fewer that I respected. He remains the only person I envied.